like just rode in. He had a 2-hour and 45-minute drive. Shout out to him. Freaking coming down here. We woke up at 2:45 this morning. We got in here early just so no one else bombards us. It could still happen, but this bird, I was down here yesterday before work and he was ripping on the limb like, I don't know, 150 yards from the road. So, brand new area. I think I know what this bird will do, but there's only one way to find out. So, see if we can't get set up on this morning and make something happen. Opening day in Maryland. Let's do it. A little bit. Just got up to this little knob. Looks just like an old clearing or something. If this bird's in the same spot he was yesterday, we're within 75 yards from him already. Just in a crazy spot. Stupid spot. That's how it is in early season. We're gonna give it like maybe 5 more minutes and I'll probably try to out. See what we have going. Fingers crossed he's here. Got the wrong bird answer. Well, it was almost like that was too good to be true. The bird was there yesterday morning. I roosted in a different spot last night just because I wanted to give myself options. And of course, that bird from yesterday is not in here. Scratching all over the place, really. But he's here somewhere. He might just be cranky because it rained all night. But my cousin Benny is only like 15 minutes away, and he has a bird hammer. So it's just the luck of the draw. Now we're just gonna play catch up. Freaking try to strike one up. I got a pretty good idea where I want to walk, so try that out. Well, cousin Benny let us know that there are 3 longbeards around him. The two met up and are working away from him, which sounds like they have hens, but there's another longbeard behind them. That he said still going off, but we're going to try to get on. We're going to hunt our way there too. We got another 25 minutes probably. So, see what happens. Gobbling birds. We just drove 45 minutes. It's all good.
No rust, just a bird fired up down here. He's close. I wouldn't.
Got a bird going off down here in this bottom. We're logging. Benny was in here, couldn't hear anything. We come up on this upper side. And we got a bird firing off right down below us. So we're hauling ass to him. And hopefully we don't get too close. But sweet talk, man. could you do for a 20-pound bird? There's two, I think. I see him. Fuck, that's not good. Just wait. Don't move too much. Just wait. He saw something. Never mind, that fucking struck. Gosh, down this slow. What? Maybe. At least get there.
Over here, I'm not sure. Right over. Get to this floor. Go.
On my right side. You're gonna have to film over my shoulder. Yeah. Go. Shit. No.
Let me see.
Right here. It's not too far to shoot.
Yeah. Oh, it's probably 70.
I'm just gonna call to him. I'm gonna call to him right here, okay?
Okay.
You see me? They hear that? Do you have a visual on him?
Yeah. 2 of them. There's one to the left.
Sounded like that one on the left was closer.
He's right below us.
Are you filming?
Yes, sir.
What are they doing?
The left one's working over to the middle one.
What?
The left one's working over to the middle.
Are they coming at all?
They just turn to the right a little bit. They're just fanning.
What?
They're fanning.
Are they 3 together now?
No. I don't see the third.
Can you see the third one yet?
No. They're coming this way slowly.
What?
They're working to the right.
There's a gap down here I can shoot. We just have to stand
They're
up.
coming this way slowly.
What?
They're facing. They're coming up. They're gonna come.
Don't. Have you seen?
No.
I mean,
There we go.
is he focused?
Yes, he's coming right there. He's within shooting range.
He's within shooting range.
Yeah. I can't see the middle one.
Can you see him?
Yes, they're 50 yards.
Are they coming?
Maybe 60.
Are they coming?
Yeah, they want to.
Are you able to film?
Yes. You could shoot the one right now.
Which one?
In the middle, right in the other side of your tree. 12 o'clock, he's looking around. Or the one strutting on the right. They're gonna come up if they can find a way.
I can't. They're looking. What are they doing?
They're getting nervous. Shoot the middle one. Yeah, you did. I don't have the shot, but
Let's go, baby.
there's another one here. Right there, right there. What the hell?
Well, it's on.
Too far?
Yeah, too far.
What? That's a good one. Look at those spurs.
Look at the beard.
Look at those spurs.
That's a hand. Give me some, dude. Opening day in Maryland. You got it done.
Not our first option.
No. What time is it?
8:30. We knew once that sun got a little nicer and cleared up, they'd fire off, and that's what they were doing up here on this bench.
3 times together. You film it. We came in here. We kind of lost faith because their lumbering, their timbering is public. Benny was in here earlier. He said there was birds all through it, but he started not be able to hear. So
He was down at the bottom.
we were on our way here, and like 20 minutes away. And that's when Benny said that there was too much sound and the birds were working away. Well, we were about to give up and go back to the truck, and they lit up, and we were right over there, like 100 yards. Well, 75 yards. We didn't really have a good setup at all, and it was tricky. We were showing where we're at. And we were sitting right here, and birds were down off that crest, and
Yeah, you were down. I was standing filming between these cherries, and I mean, I missed
was
the
letting me know.
footage.
Nick was letting me know whenever the birds were in range of what they were doing. They came right up to us. What really helped was they couldn't see us, so they had to come check us out. That's why we use this little hill right here that drops off into the bench for kind of like a security covered type
They
of
were
deal.
getting. I mean, I don't know if they would have come up the whole way though. I mean, it's tough. It's a little rugged there.
They would have gotten nervous and didn't see anything. But regardless, we're down in Maryland.
That's
Kind
good.
of little unorthodox, but hey, that's turkey hunting. If there's one thing that we learned.
Yeah, walking out of here, and we were literally just getting ready to head up the hill, and we heard a gobble back
Soon as
down when we
that-
heard the first gobble when we pulled up.
As soon as that sun freaking, that was these birds for
Yeah.
sure. As soon as that sun pops up after a rainy day, they hammer. We got them staged up here, real pretty in the sun. I shot this bird at I think 8, and we decided to go around and try to strike some more up. Was an awesome hunt. Little unorthodox setup. We had 3 longbeards, pretty much just firing off on their own, and it ended up just the way the terrain laid out. We had to set up in the best way to kill, not to film. As you'll see, and as you probably hear, there's a little bit of just just how it is whenever you have a camera and a shooter there. So, but either nonetheless, this is one of my biggest birds, and I couldn't be more thankful to start off the bachelor party weekend with one of my better birds and some good buddies here to enjoy it with me. So it was an awesome hunt. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it, and more to come. So thank you. Oh, this fan's beautiful.